This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, one table creating is student information, student underscore info. So here online class is going on, all student informations are present. So the columns are roll number, number data type, student name, bracket to 50, gender, few are male, few are female, so character 1 taken, mail ID, so all are giving mail ID that is mentioned, bracket 200, then country code, all are coming from different country, so that code is mentioned, means per contact number, code uh, code will be there, and then another is mobile number. Like in India, for mobile number, country code is 91, and then mobile number will be there. So in that way, two columns are present. In one column, country code will be present for mobile number, and in another, including country code, mobile number is there, complete mobile number. So that is created already. Now we can insert few values. Student ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students are there. Names are Rakesh, Soni, Sailesh, Ravi, Don, Priya, Anjali, Pritam. Few are male. Rakesh is male, Soni is female, Sailesh male, Ravi, Don male, Priya female, Anjali female, Pritam male. So their mail ID also given for each student. They have given mail ID. Few are using gmail.com, few are using outlook.com, few have given yahoo.com, rediff.com, Gmail, Yahoo, Kiva.com, IBM.com. One person given IBM.com. Now, country codes, country name is not mentioned, country code is there. 91. This is from one country, only one, maybe US or some other country. 231, some other country. 431, some other country, or 432 we can give. Now 4567 from one country, 57684 one country, 4 is one country, and 81 is one country. Now next column, along with country code, mobile number is there. So this is from India. Okay, 919595620287. This is the mobile number and country code is 91. So combinedly it is present. Similarly for another country, one is the code, then 9595. Some number is there. We can just change. All are 10 digits suppose. Okay, one or two digit we can change here. So same only country code plus mobile number, country code plus mobile number. So we can change few digit in between. 7, 5, 9, 0, 4, 6. Okay, now we can insert this data. All these are inserted. Now commit. Select star from student info. Okay, so this is the data. Now use this table and tell the query. First question is how many male and females are there present in class. Can you tell the query? Any
Select the
kind you
gender.
can tell. Till now we completed so many classes. You can use group by, you can use case statement, you can use anything. How many males and how many females are there? In male it will
Select
come in one column suppose, and for female in one column it will come, and it will display how many are there. Suppose male is 5, female is 3. In that way it will display. Otherwise you can do another way also. In one column it will display male count is 5, and in second row it will display female count is 3. Anything is fine. Your choice you can do. So I'm asking, you can tell. Okay, Chandradeep, can you try and tell?
So, okay, first we will write a query. I will try for with the subquery. Okay.
Okay.
So first the inner query will be select
Okay.
Gender
Okay.
from select gender from student info.
Okay.
Okay, and then where condition,
Where
gender equal to M, then I will get the male one.
where gender equal to
M. M is male.
okay.
Yeah. So from this, I will be able to get data for male one, and
Okay, name also you can mention, otherwise it will confuse now. Only male,
yeah,
male, male, male display means who is male
yes,
is
correct.
male. Okay.
Mhm.
Now next.
Now next, so we have to display both, right?
Name and gender it will display.
Correct, correct,
So here name also you can add.
right.
Otherwise count if you are taking, then name will conflict. So final result don't take name. Only count we want. Otherwise name it will take, then again you have to group by. So grouping with name, then all are different. So here different rows will come. So some conflict will happen. So final result will come like this only. Male count, female count. Inner query you can take anything, no problem. Okay, this is one. Then many approach are there. You can try in subquery, you can try in set operator, you can try in substring, you can try. Then group by you can try. Then yesterday we used case statement, you can try.
Right.
Okay, Manasa, can you try with some other approach?
Sir, I use with case.
Okay, Chandrati,
Case.
you can continue with this try. After that, you can
Yeah,
come back.
sure,
That's
sure.
right. That is also
Case.
fine.
Case.
Okay, case.
When.
Okay, select we can give.
Yeah, same. Select the name, gender from student information.
Okay, select. After that, what I will
Name.
write? Gender.
Select name.
When? Okay, name.
Gender from
When?
student information. Okay.
Gender from student info. Okay.
Next case. Space.
But
Next line case. Case. Student in.
no, case if you will write in select only you can write. That will be one column
Okay.
only.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Here only you can write.
Yeah. When.
Okay. If you will confuse, then separate line we can make it. Case when
F in single quote F. When gender equals to in single quote F.
Gender equal to single quote F. Okay.
Then female.
Okay.
Next case, when gender is equals to M, then
Okay.
Next, end.
Okay, so different case statement you are writing. So individually you have to write end. One case statement
Okay.
only you are writing, then one end you have to give. So how
Okay.
you are writing? Your choice. Okay, separate you can do then. Separate means in this way it will come. Male will be
Yeah.
one column, female will be one column. In one column only you are giving, then in one column only it will come. Male, female, then count. Which one you want? Here only, end.
Yeah, end.
Okay, then here you can give male count. So male count MC, suppose as this is female count FC, and this is male count. Suppose I am giving MC. Here also and you can give. And both case statement, then both are different columns. One comma you can give here. Okay. Now if you will execute this, okay, some problem is there. Where is the
Yes, sir,
problem?
the select name column is somewhat different, it seems.
S name, I think.
S name. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So now all these names are coming.
Right.
So this is correct one. Now you can just use this as a base query. On top of that, you can take it as a outer query or CT, common table expression. Anything you can use, and again you can continue. You will get the answer. Correct.
Sir, in that case,
Hello.
we can add gender is not null.
Gender is not null.
Not null.
Gender is not null only, no? All are having value.
But PC shows null female. Null female.
That is count, means
Yes, sir.
type you are giving, female, female.
Yes, sir.
So these two, if you will think, it is not required. Our main intention is not convert that into M to male and F to female. If the question is in place of F, you can give female if she is a female, or in place of M, you can give male if he is a male. Then this is fine. So this will be not used. Your main intention is this only. Here only you can count down.
Okay, sir.
Then you can count all those M. F, but then you can count separately. Okay, if you are feeling difficulty in case, simple approach group by you can use. First answer at least you can tell using group by. Very simple group by, anybody can tell.
Select gender count of from student info,
Select gender
count of student
count star
from
from
table
table name is student info.
group by
Then
gender. Group by gender.
okay. Okay, so male is 6, female is 3.
Right.
You can check. Select star from student info. Okay, total 9 are there. Fine. Okay, so this is one answer. Second answer, anybody can try and tell. Okay, Chandradeep, you were
I
trying
tried
this.
with my query.
Okay, tell now.
Yes, yes. So select count of gender from a student. You can take that.
Okay, select count of gender. Okay,
From student info where gender equal to M.
from student info where gender equal to M. Okay,
And yeah, and we can give a alias name to the count of gender as like male.
male count. Okay, male count.
Yeah.
Okay,
Then we can do the union and write a same query with the female.
okay. So in between union, all you are telling
Yeah, union.
union or anything.
Yes.
Okay, so this is correct only, but the problem is only one column it is displaying MC63. So here confusion is
Right,
coming.
right. So we can correct, correct. So how we can convert it?
Sir, can we apply count on case condition?
Okay, you can try.
Count
Okay,
in
very good thinking. You count with case, but it will work, not work. That is different thing. Just try. Okay,
count in open braces condition, case condition.
count
Close braces.
here. This is
Before
alias
end.
name of that before and yes.
Before end.
Okay. Okay, not a single group function. So here count you are using means it will be one aggregate function. So this female is one group
Group.
and male is one group. So you have to use group by also.
Group by.
Sir, you can take some.
Just hold on. One C is trying. Group
Group
by
by gender.
gender. Okay, so group by gender if you will give, then maybe another problem will come because in group by gender column you have given and in select gender is there but S name is
S
extra
name,
column.
comma S name.
So here comma S name if you will give, then so many groups will form. 9 students are there, then 9 group will form. So these don't give S name. Okay, now you can try. Okay, from keyword not found were extracted. Okay, so always appropriate message will not get in the error. Now again try to rectify this. This is correct approach, count you are doing. So here, if you are not using this count, then what it will do? Case with gender equal to F, then female. So one female it will mention. In next line, male it will mention. Next line, female it will mention. So all these are values actually. Here one column name if you will give, then it will take count. Values if you are giving, then it is not able to count. So instead of this count, any other approach can you use? Just think and tell any other approach can you use?
Sir, can we use sum, sir? Sum of gender equal to.
Okay. So sum
Sum of
using
gender equal to, yes, sir.
Okay, so gender equal to F, then what? Female.
As female, yes, sir.
Okay, so female here male is there. So
It's
how
a
it will
male.
become? Female plus male plus female plus male plus male plus female. How it will do? Here this type of result is coming, right? In one line female, in another line female, another line male, again female. All those combinations it is coming. So it cannot be sum. Now little bit you can extend, you will get the answer. Almost done. Instead of female and male, what you can give so that it will do the sum. Think that way.
Instead of female and male, can we write gender, sir?
So we can write 1 or 1
0.
so that it will calculate.
Okay.
1 or 0.
Okay, so wherever male is there, it will display 1. Rina 1, Suni 1, Anjali 1, like that. Now 1, 1, 1, 1, some will be null, some will be null, again 1. Wherever it is not present, male, then it will be null. Male, then null, female, then 1, female, then 1. So all those, it will make it sum now. Similarly, for male also you can give 1. Now we can try.
Else,
Okay.
else 0.
Else is 0. Else 0.
Okay. No.
Group by is not.
Group by is there, no gender. Okay, group by not using, you are telling.
Yes.
It is not a single group function because two types of groups are there: female female one group, male male one group. Okay, again little bit you can think. Almost done.
Sir, from class in upper side, group by is lower than
Which one?
from and group by. Those exchange
Okay,
group
from
by gender.
is not properly mentioned here. After select from clause, right?
Ah,
Select, then from, then where, then group by, then having, then order by. You forgot the sequence. Okay, excellent. Male count 6, female count 3. Because in male count row, it will not display any null. That's why it is giving 0. So that is fine. In one row only, you want to make them, just modify this into one case statement only you can do. Okay, in one case statement it will complete, because here male female both will come in one row, then count will be different. Okay, so that will be lengthy. Again, where clause you have to use and union, all of those. So this is the good one. Okay, so union all using that also you can do, little bit lengthy. You can try that again, homework. Now next question we can go. Always 35 minutes we crossed, only one question. Now next question I am asking. Write one query to display the names of student with their domain name. This domain name only. So here Rakesh @ is there. This is mail ID. Completely this is mail ID. So in this mail ID, total 3 parts are there. One is name, Second is separator of mail id. @ is separating in between this mail and domain name. And gmail.com is a domain name. Outlook.com is a domain name. Yahoo.com is a domain name. Rediff.com is a domain name. So here one is student name @ domain name, it is present. So our requirement is we need to list out with the student name in one column and which domain he is using for his mail id in another column. Two columns we need as a output. Second question. Try this now. Till now, whatever topics we discussed, any method you can use, no issue. Yeah, quickly you can try. A lot of questions are there. One question half an hour means it cannot do anything.
Yes, sir. Select student name, comma, email.
Select.
Okay, select student name, comma,
Email where email like email like @ in the quotes.
rate, then percentile. @
From
percentile means what is this? It should be starting with @,
Start.
then it will display. But nothing is starting with @. So what it will display? First some names are there, then @ is there. And those names also not same length. Some are length is having 5, some are having 4, some are having 8, some are having Don it's 3, Pritam it's 7. Different lengths are there. Try Jamir, Lakshmi, Sai Pratimna, Rahul.
Select star from student name and email, sir.
Select star from
Student name and email. Student.
that is simple method. Select star from table name means whatever we have given that only it will come. Our requirement is domain name we have to find out. Student name with domain name what they are using. Okay, I am giving the hint, you can try. Substring and in string you can use.
Select student info substring of mail, email and name.
Select student info, how it will come? Select column name from table name.
Yes.
You are telling select table name.
Yes, sir. Substring of email and name.
Select student name, email from student info. Where to write substring?
Substring of email and name.
Where to write? In select or from or where or having? Complete no.
Select next, sir.
Select. Okay, substring.
Substring of mail and name. Email and name.
Email and
Name.
SNAME. what is the syntax of substring? First column name you have given correct. So second, what to give? Any number you have to give, directly or indirectly. Directly, if you are giving, then 1, 3, 5, 7 you can mention. Indirectly, then some function you can use, length or in string or again some other substring, whatever it may be. But at the end, from that it should come one number, then only it will work. So here s name you are giving, so this is a column name or string, it will not work. Approach is correct, but syntax you are not giving correctly.
Email plus one like that message.
Email plus one means what it will come? Email means suppose priyanka@gmail.com. Priyanka@gmail.com plus one. What is the value? Think properly. No? Chandradeep, Manasa.
Sir, can you show me that email ID? What
Okay.
length
These are
of
the
the email?
length is not same for everywhere.
Yeah,
Different lengths are there. Similar kind of question already I asked. You should tell this.
Sir, can we use
Sir,
in
we can
string of
write.
Okay. Yes.
So
Go ahead.
can we go to the query?
Okay.
Yeah. So substring email comma, then we can write the in string and then email comma
In string.
in string. Oh yeah, one minute.
Email,
Email
comma.
comma
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah at the rate
At the rate.
at the rate yeah,
Okay.
and then again we also replace a dot, right? The dot value which are from dot.
Means it should display
Dot
this
com
only,
one also.
gmail.com, outlook.com,
Okay.
that it will display.
Okay.
That is the domain name.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Right.
So almost done. Small thing need to change. Okay, if you will execute, you will be able to rectify that. Okay, here another parenthesis we have not closed for this one. So close with this parenthesis. Now again we can execute. Again what happened? String. Email. Column name is correct. Mail ID, not email.
Yes. Mail ID. Yeah.
Okay. Again from S name. Okay, here also mail ID. Here also mail ID. Okay. Now you are getting this result, almost done. Now small thing you can change so that correctly it will come. Who can tell this? Okay, I'm highlighting here. Little bit change you can do.
Replace at the rate with space. Same.
Okay, that also you can do. So again, it will be lengthy. One replace function need to write. Here only small thing you have to do. In string of this, then what it is getting? Position number. So at the rate is present in which position for each row it is.
Plus, sir, at the after that we can add +1. So
Yes,
the
yes.
one that also get removed and
Yes.
okay.
So if it is in fifth position, then fifth position onwards it is displaying. So in fifth position at the rate is there. If it is sixth position, then sixth position onwards it is
Yes.
displaying. Sixth position at the rate is there. If you will start from next position, then at the rate will not come. Just give +1. Okay, excellent. Next question.
Okay.
This will go to Manasa. You can tell. Manasa, ready. Here, country is one code and mobile number is there. These are purely real-time scenario. You have to write this type of query in the project level. Only the data will be changed. Okay, so here, what we can tell, these two columns you can consider. One is country code and another is mobile number. Write a query so that it will display with the student name and their only mobile number, excluding this code. Country code we don't want, only mobile number we need. Means this part it will display. In India, this is your mobile number. This is one Rakesh mobile number, 9595620287. Someone is Sony. Her mobile number is this one, but here country code also included. So don't fetch that country code. Her mobile number should be this one. So this country code is included in all mobile number. Excluding that country code, just list out the mobile number with the student.
Select S name.
Okay, question first we can write the S name with only mobile number. Okay, select S name,
Comma mobile number
okay,
from student information. Student info.
info,
Minus
this one or MINUS,
minus operator. Minus operator.
okay,
Same select. No. Minus country code. Only country code.
here country code,
Yeah.
country code column name. No. So set operator rules you are not following. Column count should be same. Column count is not same. Corresponding column data type should same. Country code is number. S name is varchar, not same. It failed. Minus will not helpful because if you are doing minus, then all the value it will compare. If same, then it will display. If not same, then it will come as null. That only. It will not replace. It will not remove. It will not ignore. Those things will not come. So minus will not work here. Same only you can try substring in string. Within a string, some part you are taking means that is substring in string only you have to use. This only refers.
Substring phone number.
Okay, mobile number. Your column name is mobile number. Okay. Substring mobile number then.
In string.
Okay, in string or any other function.
In the place of @
Okay, any other string function you can use. Try. In string will not help here then. Any other string function. String functions are Okay, I can recall those string functions of string, in string, then uppercase, lowercase, character, ASCII value conversion, length, replace, trim, untrim, untrim, which will be appropriate. Try that. Again, see the question. Country code also there. I am giving the hint here. This is separate column, country code. That country code is also available in this mobile number 9191 231 231. This column also you can consider in your query and use some other string function which will be appropriate. Okay, any other can try? Vishnu, Chandradeep.
Sir, substring of mobile number -1, 10.
Okay, substring mobile number. After that,
-1, 10.
minus no, -1, 10 means from right side 10 character it will take. So maybe that is for okay. So in this example, all are 10 digit I have given. That's why it will work for this example. But in some other values are there which is not like 10 then. Only mobile number. Again, it is not coming. Okay, so if you will try this, some syntax problem you have, then it will work. But the problem will be if it is all mobile number is having 10 digit from right side, then that is fine. Suppose somewhere in some country it is 12 digit, in some other country it is 20 digit, in some other country it is 8 digit. That can also happen. So for just easy purpose, I copy paste it. That's why only 10 digits is there. So consider it is not 10 digit. In different country, different digits are there. Length. So length you can find out. Okay, I'm giving again hint. Length you can take, country code also you can use, and then substring or int string will be applicable. You can apply. Okay, so these type of things only you can do. One extra you have to use length function. Now you can try length function and this country code column also you can use. Now you can try.
Length of country code.
Okay, where to write? Here. Length of country code.
And substring of that is 1, 3. So that it will skip the count as per the length.
Okay. Okay, up to this first we can execute. Okay, so small thing you have to do like this. Almost done. Okay, here another 2 column also you can give so that it will be easy to understand. Country code. Mobile number. Okay, now see, and you can rectify that small thing you have to change. Chandradip Manasa, can you fix this?
Then country code
Length
minus
of
one.
country code.
Yeah.
-1 or +1?
One actually.
-1.
Because it's giving a length.
So from this last digit it is coming. From here 1, 1,
Yeah.
1, 1, 2, 4, 4, 7, 4, 4, 1. Because only length you have given. So the length is 2, means it is starting from 2 position.
Yeah.
Length is 1, it is starting from 1 position. It will start from next position of that length.
One position.
Then it will be correct. So +1 you can give.
Okay.
So 91 is 2 digit. So it should start from next digit. So next digit is 3, position number 3.
Next.
Position number 3 means from 9595 it will start. Okay, now these are mobile numbers. So any number is there, that is fine. 5 digit, 10 digit, 20 digit, whatever it may be. And here also in country code, it can be any digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, any digit. If all country code are 2 digits, then it is very simple. Here instead of length of country code, we can give 2 plus 1. If country code is only 1 for all the data, then that is very simple. 1 plus 1, 2. So instead of country code, if it is vary, then just we have to give length of country code. For each line, it will vary, no problem. Okay, next. Okay, another query you can try here. List out the student name who is using the mail ID and that mail ID is not related to his name, like Don. Don is one student. He is using test@gmail ID. For all students, they have given the mail ID as per their name. Ravi@rediff.com, Shailesh@yahoo.com, Sony@outlook.com, Rakesh gmail.com, Pritam ibm.com, Anjali Anjaliya something.com, Kiva.com, Priya. Okay, Priya also not given correct name. Don@yahoo.com. So this Priya and Don list we need. Now can we write the query? Maybe they are fake persons or maybe they are cheating or something happened. Need to find out the list. The rule is students should give their mail ID as per their name. Some are not giving as per their name related mail ID. We need to find out those mismatch related mail ID with corresponding student details. Okay, this will be a little bit tricky and it will take time. As a homework, you can do this question. Next question.
So can you tell question once again?
Okay. So here the question is, all students have given for their class with their mail ID. And the condition is mail ID
Right.
they should give with their name. Rakesh@gmail.com.
Right.
It is fine. Any domain you can give, fine. Yahoo.com, gmail.com, outlook.com, anything is fine. But name should come from your name only. So here, if you will see, some persons are cheating. Don is one person, one student. He has given test@gmail.com. Priya is one lady. She has given done@yahoo.com. These two persons are cheating.
Yahoo.com.
We need to find out their list. Who are cheating?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So as a homework, you can do this. Now next we can do select star from student 20. Okay, cell info is one table. In this cell info, 4 candidate details are present. Tenant ID or something. PID is one column. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are doing 3 part-time job for 4 hours. This is in one place, this is in one place, this is in one place. Person is same only. Name not given. Rakesh, Soni, that type of name is not given. Only ID is given. So this ID means this is one person. He is doing job in 3 places and getting salary also from 3 places. 4 hours here, 4 hours here, 4 hours here. Per day he is working. Okay, we can take this monthly salary, daily salary, anything. That is fine. That is not an issue. But 3 types of salary he is getting from one company, another company, third company. Similarly, for other employee also, other candidate also, they are earning different salary from 3 different companies and part-time job they are doing. These are the monthly salary, suppose. Now, write one query. It will display with all these tenant details or candidate details, which is their highest salary from all these 3 companies and lowest salary. So out of these 3 companies, from one company they are getting highest. Suppose this person we are taking 30,000. He is getting highest from 3 companies. 10,000 is lowest. So these 2 we need. One is lowest and another is highest. He can work in 10 companies. We don't have any problem. But we need what is the highest salary he is earning and what is the lowest salary earning from those companies. So for this first person, 10,000 is lowest, 30,000 is highest. Now for second person, 25,000 is highest and 8,000 is lowest. For third person, 33,50,000 is highest and 25,000 is lowest. For this fourth person, 40,000 is highest, 22,000 is lowest. So highest, lowest it will display. Max min will not work. Max min will work where if those are in one column. Now these are multiple columns. So for multiple columns, another function is there. Already we discussed that. If you forgot, I am recalling. One is greatest and another is least. Least for lowest, greatest for highest. If it is multiple column. If it is single column, then max min. So greatest, least you can use. Another approach is case also you can use. Yesterday we discussed that also you can use and try. Okay, so first you can try with greatest and least. This is easy one, very easy. Okay, time is running unnecessary. So we can do one thing. I am giving the answer. You can understand and explain them. Okay, first easy one you can see. This one. Can you please explain? Just understand and explain. Anybody can take initiative.
Yeah, so from first line, it will show like the greatest salary from among 3 of the column. Like
Okay.
salary 1, salary 2, and salary 3.
Okay.
And the same, the second line is showing the lowest salary.
Okay. So here multiple columns are there and we are comparing
Among the column.
greatest and lowest. So greatest, least we have to use. That is the function. Max min will not use. Max min will use only for one column, single column. Cell info. cell underscore 1 underscore 2 underscore 3 underscore 1 underscore 2 underscore 3. Okay. So on this salary it is coming again extra 2 columns, one for highest, another is for lowest. So out of all this salary, what is highest? 30,000 is highest. Out of all these three, 25,000 highest. So which are highest out of all these three columns? Those are coming in one column. Which are lowest? That is coming in another column. Now the same result we can use case also. Now go through this case and try to explain now. You can explain this. Already given the answer. Okay, Chandradeep already explained one. Next, who can explain? Take initiative. Your part, you have to be serious. If you will give interview, you have to give. If you will work, you have to work.
Sir, in first case, it will select when sal1 greater than. Suppose it will take some value. It should be greater than of all these values, sal2 or sal3.
Okay.
Suppose if sal1 is greater than, suppose 10,000 is we are taking, so that should be greater than of sal2 value and sal3. If it is greater than, it will display sal1 value.
Okay.
Same sal2.
Okay. So same
If
logic it will implement for all these
yeah,
conditions.
yeah. If
And for each row it will display the highest one.
if
Okay.
that
So reverse.
condition is satisfied, it will display in highest salary. Those salary values will be displayed.
Okay. And same will be for
Then,
lowest also.
yeah.
Here less than is given.
Yeah, salary 1 is less than of it compare with two values, salary 2 values and salary 3. If it is condition is satisfied, it will display salary 1 value
Okay.
in lowest salary column.
Okay. Same result you are getting. Okay. Now next. Okay, list out the positive value, negative value, and neutral value of a column. So we don't have that type of value in a table. Meanwhile, I am creating. You can try this. So like one table is there. In that one column is there. Any column name we can take. Val suppose. This column is having some values. Some positive values are there. 10, 20, 30. 66 like that, and some negative values are there, and some zeros are also there. 0 0 0 0, and some negative values are there. Minus 22, minus 33, minus 44, minus 55, like that. These values are containing in a column. Now the question is, split these values into 3 columns and display in your query output. All these positive value will display in one column, then zeros will display in a second column, and all negative value will display in third column. Otherwise, in one column only, let it be no problem. So another column you can make status or something.
When that column is less than 0, um, then negative, greater than 0, the positive, equals 0, then it will show 0. Case.
How to write?
When select the column name, and case when that column less than 0, then it will show negative.
Okay.
If it is greater than, then column is greater than 0, then it is positive. If equal to 0, then it will show 0.
Okay. So we can create a table first. Okay, created, inserted, and committed. Now select star from all value is the column table name. Okay, so these are the value. Total 9 rows are there. Few are positive, few are negative, few are 0. Now, Ashwini, can you tell this? Okay, who can tell? Prasanna? Only 2, 3 are trying. Others also you can try. No? Okay, next who can tell?
Sir, select
Yes.
sum of.
Some why you will take.
Yes, sir.
No, why you will take. You understand the question, no? We have to list out the values with their status. Positive, negative, 0, that only. So some why it is required.
List out.
Just list or display the values along with their status. So 10, it will be positive value. 20, it will be positive value. 0, Z arrow or neutral value. -11, negative values. That only we need. Very simple. Use case and tell. Very, very simple.
Sir, case.
Okay.
Case. When
value is less
Than 0.
0, then
than negative.
Okay.
Case 1 value is greater than 0, then positive.
Again, when val is greater than 0, then positive.
else
Okay, else
value
another
equals to
when
0.
also you can write val equal to 0, then
0.
okay, now case
End.
completed.
end status.
Okay, so all columns completed. Now from table name.
All right.
Okay, some
when val is 0, it's not
okay. When then, if you are writing then when is required. Otherwise, else you are writing, then this condition not required. Direct you can give the value. Else 0. In else condition, don't write. Direct final output what you want, that need to write. Otherwise, when you can write val is equal to 0, then it will display 0. That one. When then, otherwise only else. Okay. So here confusing which column is for which value is for positive, negative. So this column also you can add val column. Okay, so all these are positive, negative, positive, negative. Now this same question only you can write in different way. In different columns you can display. In one column positive value it will display. In another column only negative value. In third column only 0 value it will display. So 3 case statement you have to do. Now who can split this? Everything is here. Just need to modify this query. That is very easy one. See and do. Who can do that? Jamir, Lakshmi. No need to think anything. Just split that only.
Use comma at the end of the first case, then use case.
Okay.
Comma.
So here and
Then one alias name.
separately
Comma.
after end we can give
and the alias name we can provide.
one alias name we can give.
Yes.
What will
As
be
positive.
appropriate
No,
name?
sorry.
Negative.
Positive value.
Negative.
Oh,
Plus
sorry,
it.
negative value. Correct.
Negative value. Okay. Then comma.
Comma. Next case.
Okay. Here also case we have to give. This is positive. Else.
Okay.
Else will not come here. Again case.
Case when
Different column you are writing. This and is not required now.
Right.
Okay. In this way it will display. Since multiple rows are there, that's why which are not appropriate. For that, obviously it will display null only. We cannot do anything. Nothing is displayed. Which are valid, for that it is displaying those positive type or negative type or not. Now extending this question only, write one SQL query so that it will display in 2 columns. In one column it will display sum of positive numbers, and in another column it will display sum of negative values. Sum of positive values means 10 plus 20 plus 30, 60 it will display. Sum of negative value minus 11 plus minus 22 plus minus 33. So 77 minus 77 it will display.
Okay.
Now try this.
So, sir, on the same case, we can complete the case condition with sum, like sum of case when val less than 0, then negative value, and the negative will be the alias number, and the same query we can take.
You tried with good approach, but small mistake you are doing. Just try to understand first. Take 30 seconds to understand.
Okay.
Immediately you are
place of
telling that's why I'm having problem.
in place of negative, it has to take values.
Yes. If you will take here value, then only it can do sum. So some value
So
you can
some,
give,
right.
means column name you can give.
Yeah. Well,
Well,
Okay, so here we can give sum of
positive.
positive, negative.
Sorry, negative.
Here sum of positive, and this is not required. This that. Okay, so here only we are listing out the values, not doing the sum. So fine, we can just display first. Okay, now it is displaying. So the question is for sum of positive
This
negative.
thing.
Now again refine this query. Almost done, 70% done.
Sum.
Now use the
Sum.
sum. But
In
Some.
open braces case condition.
Sum of case.
After end.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, can't we use sum of val after then, sir?
sum of val where? Here inside.
Yeah.
Then value else 0.
No, sum here this is one case expression. So the syntax of case expression is case when some condition you can give. After that you can give here some comment or value or column name. That is the syntax.
Value else 0.
Here again you are giving the function name. Then which column it will use? Again that will contradict. So as per the syntax it is not going correct. So the function we can use outside only. Then val and sum positive. Okay.
Okay.
Here also sum.
Okay.
Then val. So if it is negative, all those list it is coming in this column, sum underscore neg column, all these negative values. And sum underscore column, all the positive value. Now again you are on top of that adding using sum. Sum. Okay. Now it is displaying not a single group function. What is the problem? Can you tell?
We have to use group by value.
Okay, group by value
Group
if
by.
you will give, then what will happen? Different
Group by
values are there.
Different date.
Nine group it will form. 9 group it will be forming. Then it is going round. We have to form all those as a single group because here only one column you are using, val column. If two columns you are using or more than one column, then group by is required. For single group, no group by. For multiple groups, group by will come. Highest mark of the college, no group by. Highest mark of each department in the college, group by. Okay, so group by you are not writing, means this column also don't write, otherwise it will expect group by, then ignore this. Now it is coming.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So this case also very important for your interview as well as real-time project. Daily basis you have to write. And these type of things only you will do. These are purely real scenarios only. Okay, so that's the sum of positive, negative. In another way also it is written using temp table, like with clause. Yesterday we did using one CT, one temp table you can create. Whatever we did same only, we can keep into one temp table. Then just we are using the temp table, sum of positive count, sum of negative count, sum of Z count. That is another approach you can do.
Okay.
Otherwise, in subquery also you can write this. Without CTE, whatever we have written, that is our inner query we can make. On top of that, one outer query you can write and select sum of positive count, sum of negative count, sum. Okay, so this question is first as per how we, okay. So this is a different question. Now you can try this same. This is sum of positive negative. Now count how many positive values are there, how many zeros are there, and how many negative values are there. You can try this, then we can close for today.
place of sum of positive value. Sir?
Sum of positive negative already we did. Now the question
Yeah,
is
question. Can you repeat question?
Yeah, count of positive value means how many positive values are there, how many negative values are there, how many zero are there. That is the question.
In place of sum, write count.
Count will not work here. In this case statement, count is not working. Sum only. Another approach you can think. Make it simple. One case statement or something you can write, and I keep that into a city. One city related also you can do it now for this. That will be easy. Try. Who are doing good, they are getting in first 2-3 interview only. Yesterday also 2 persons got. No support, nothing. One lady, one gents. Yesterday got offer. And next week onwards, you can try. This week is your last for this. We will continue the class, but for interview purpose, you can start from next week. Almost SQL is done. Next, we'll jump to Informatica after few classes. So you can start giving interview. Upload the resume, data warehouse, CTL, those module completed. SQL almost going to complete. If you upload your resume, then 1 week around it will take to schedule the interview. After that, you can start giving. Until that time, again, we will continue. So after a few days, everything will come. Informatica, few questions only it will come. 5 questions around. That I can tell who has what question they will ask if not completed. We'll keep continuing because market is boom. So after 1 month call will not come or come, we don't know. So now only you can try. Okay, try this.
With CT.
Okay.
Top of this.
Okay, any name we can use for temp. As
Below same condition, select some.
What condition?
Can we take count of some alias name?
How to do? Okay, it is delayed already today. I am giving the answer. You can explain otherwise. Now you can explain. Try to understand and explain. So table name we have is all underscore value. Okay, and here we have given column name is value. Okay, now can you explain how it is happening?
When value greater than 0, it will take one value. Otherwise, it's 0.
Okay.
If it is 1, it will take positive count.
Okay, so positive count will be 1 column.
Yeah, when value less than 0, it will display 1. Otherwise, it will 0. The status will be negative count. And value equals 0, it will display 0 count. We are doing sum of that post count. So whatever values are there,
So
it will count the
separately.
Yeah,
separately we will execute this part. So this is the output.
Yeah.
So it is taking 1, 1, 1, 1, which are greater than 0. And for other, it is displaying 0. Similarly, in another column, it is displaying 0 for other part, which is negative for that 1, 1, 1 it is displaying because we have given in that way. Similarly, which is 0 for that 1. Now use this as
Sum
a
of
temporary table. And here we have 3 columns. Sum of this column, sum of this. Now easily we can use. You can use sum, or you can use like count, or whatever it may be. It will be easy now. So here 0 also there. If you will count, then this will be also counted. That's why better to use sum. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So total 3 values are there, positive value. Temporary table is there. Now we are doing sum of positive count, sum of negative count, sum of z count, 0 count from this temp table. Now all together executing. 333. Okay.
So sir, we can get a solution after adding sum after the before the case only.
So here just column name we have given. This is not the count. We have given CNT.
No. Just select instead of value, we can directly add the sum and the case. So the temp is not required. Yes. Here.
Okay. That also you can do. That also you can do. So that will be without using this city. This is using city.
This city.
Yes, that is also correct.
City.
Yes, this is using city. Another way with subquery also you can do. Instead of city, you can write here only. Select sum of positive count, sum of negative this column, sum of this column. That is another approach. And you are telling here sum, that is another approach. Any approach you can follow. It is not like that only one answer is there. Different topics, different chapters you are learning, you have to form in your way now. And in interview also always try to give more than one answer, at least 3, 4, 5 answer you can give. Then only they will not reject. Only one answer everybody is giving. They are searching from Google, they are learning from different places, they are giving one answer, and that answer also simple answer. And you will also give one answer and simple answer, you will not select. Okay, we can close for today. Case is completed. Now the